Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you what is a YouTube Premium feature. So if you want a YouTube Premium feature, I will show you what it is feature and how can you use it. So in order to see what is YouTube Premium feature, first you need to click on library section, and here you need to click on the profile icon. Under profile icon you need to scroll down and click on the purchase and membership. Now you can see that there is a feature called Premium. You need to click on learn more, and it will show how it works. Like it will show that you will get a individual personalized account when you use this YouTube Premium feature. You can also remove ads from your YouTube videos. One of the best feature of this YouTube Premium is that you can remove your ad from your YouTube video. You can also use YouTube Premium Music and more feature like that. You can download more video on your YouTube library. You can watch videos or audios on YouTube background, and you can use YouTube Music Premium. And there is one more option, like you can use yeah, that's it. And it is approx $2 or $3 in India. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to use YouTube feature on your YouTube app. If you want to use this feature, click on try it free and you can use it and then pay for the next one. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to use your YouTube Premium feature on your YouTube app.